The Horse Whisperer, 1995, a modern novel by Nicholas Evans, tells the story of a teenage girl, Grace, and her mother, Annie, as they struggle to cope with the consequences of a devastating car accident that claims the life of Grace's friend and one of their horses. Grace's parents disagree about the best way to guide their daughter toward recovery, creating strain within the family that unfolds over the following years. In time, Grace discovers a path to healing by returning to her connection with horses. The novel examines the bonds between humans and animals and the insights they offer about empathy and emotional restoration. It was later adapted into a 1998 drama film bearing the same title. The story opens in northern New York on a winter morning. Drawn to the region for its excellent riding trails, Grace MacLean and her friend Judith set out on horseback across icy hills. As they climb a steep and slippery slope, Judith's horse, Gulliver, loses his footing and crashes into Grace's horse, Pilgrim. Horses and riders slide helplessly downhill and into the path of an approaching semi-truck. Unable to brake on the ice, the truck collides with them. Judith and Gulliver are killed instantly. Grace and Pilgrim survive, but suffer grave injuries. The truck driver summons help, and Grace is rushed to the hospital. Because of the catastrophic damage to her right leg, doctors advise a partial amputation. She consents, aware that the loss will permanently alter her life. During her physical recovery, Grace sinks into profound depression, consumed by grief and the loss of her former mobility. Her mother, Annie, a successful magazine editor, and her father, Robert, a driven attorney, care for her. They clash over the fate of Pilgrim, who remains in severe pain. Robert believes euthanasia would spare the horse further suffering and help Grace move forward. Annie, however, feels that restoring Pilgrim is essential to her daughter's emotional recovery. She suspects that Pilgrim's violent behavior stems more from psychological trauma than physical injury, and that harsh treatment from handlers only deepens his distress. Determined to help them both, Annie takes Grace and Pilgrim to Montana to consult Tom Booker, a reputed horse whisperer. On his ranch, Tom forms a quiet, intuitive bond with Pilgrim and begins the process of healing him. Annie and Grace remain there, gradually adapting to ranch life. Over time, Annie and Tom develop feelings for one another and begin a secret affair. A pivotal moment in Pilgrim's recovery comes when Grace attempts to ride him again. Though Pilgrim resists being mounted while standing, Tom realizes he is calmer when lying down. Using this approach, Grace successfully rides him for the first time since the accident. With Pilgrim restored to health, Annie and Grace prepare to return to New York. At a farewell gathering, Annie and Tom's relationship is inadvertently revealed. Furious and heartbroken, Grace rides off across the fields. Tom follows. In her turmoil, Grace triggers a stampede of wild horses. Tom manages to lead Grace and Pilgrim to safety, but then steps into the path of the rushing herd and is trampled. Grace believes his death may have been driven by guilt and remorse over betraying her trust. In the novel's closing chapters, Annie brings Grace and Pilgrim home. She confesses her affair to Robert, who forgives her, recognizing her longing for a life beyond the city. Annie later discovers she is pregnant and gives birth to a child with vivid blue eyes reminiscent of Tom's, a lasting reminder of her time in Montana and a symbol that his presence endures. At its heart, The Horse Whisperer is a meditation on the deep ties that bind families, human and animal alike, and on the resilience that allows love to overcome even the most painful divides. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.